In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset TradingView's paper trading. If you've been testing your strategies or simply experimenting on TradingView and feel the need to start fresh, resetting your paper trading account is a quick and straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. First, look at the bottom of your TradingView chart. Here, you'll find the trading panel. This section provides you with a variety of options related to trading. But for our purpose, we'll focus specifically on resetting your paper trading account. Open the trading panel by clicking on it. This step is crucial as it's your gateway to making any changes to your trading environment. Once the trading panel is open, search for the entry that says Paper Trading. This is your simulated trading account, which allows you to practice your trading strategies without any real-world financial risk. Click on it, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. This menu is the primary control point for modifying your paper trading settings. The next thing you need to look for in this drop-down menu is the option that says Reset Paper Trading Account. Select this option to proceed forward. At this stage, you'll see a dialog box pop up, which is where you'll carry out all the essential adjustments for your reset. The first thing you'll be prompted to do is to set your new starting balance. Consider what amount makes the most sense for the strategies you plan to test. The system is flexible here, allowing you to simulate trading with different amounts, so choose a balance that aligns with your testing goals. After setting the starting balance, you'll have the option to change the currency. While this step is optional, it could be beneficial if you're trading in various markets or want to simulate conditions that involve different currencies. Choosing the correct currency can offer you a more realistic trading experience, mimicking real-world scenarios. You will also have the opportunity to adjust the leverage and commission. Leverage allows you to control a larger position than your initial balance would typically allow, which can be useful in certain strategy tests. Similarly, adjusting the commission settings can help you refine your strategy by taking transactional costs into account, offering another layer of realism to your paper trading experience. Once you're satisfied with all these configurations, whether it's the starting balance, the currency choice, the leverage, or the commission settings, it's time to confirm the reset. However, before you go ahead, it's important to note that confirming will delete all your open positions, orders, trading history, and account logs. So, make sure you're ready for a clean slate before you proceed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to reset your paper trading account in TradingView. Starting over can be a fresh and exciting step in your trading journey, giving you freedom and flexibility to explore new strategies. Happy